said sing. Why not deal with the bucket help me so far? What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I will back with another video for you guys. Right now we have Skillibeng, Crocodile, Teeth. That song you mash up whole bucket belt world. Not just yard. Everywhere. All America, your social media, Twitter mash up everywhere. Everywhere. People recommend the song from all over, dog. Can you do some represent for the whole Caribbean, dog? You me I say from different whole Caribbean. I say, yo, Skillibeng, Crocodile, Teeth, dog. And that song they are top of the world right now. Yo! Say no, I'm gonna make sure so you see that reaction. You me I say, so you know so the pause boss is in full effect. You me I say, but me I say, man, like up the video. Who want 1,000 likes on the video? See if you rate Skillibeng and you rate reaction boss too. Who want 1,000 likes? So please like the video right now. And if you're new to the channel, this is the most lit channel on YouTube. You understand me? The most reaction channel on YouTube. You see me? I know I do it that way, yeah? You know what I mean? And we represent for the world Caribbean, as I said before. So just check out the channel, because if you tell you no, not gonna believe me though. So let's go check out the channel and see what I go on. I have 30,000 subscribers. So me not buy them. Me not buy one of them buckle belt. So you know what I mean? Go check out the channel and learn for yourself. But we see what I go on till. You see me? The video drop like a day after the other drop. I saw your bad Skillibeng. Brick by brick. My first ever Skillibeng. You know what? Chat about that. Johnny Wonder, big up yourself. Skillibeng, Crocodile Teeth, official music video. Run
From on the down, Grammy.
Big up yourself. You're coming from my picture. You don't know it's chopping, You don't know it's chopping. Like, guy in a year code at 952. Big up yourself. Run through again.
Is there? Is there? On the down, Grammy.
Yeah.
First thing on a bowl like me.
The man started to say, on the dog, Grammy. First thing at all, the first thing, who know more like Skillibeng, want to know about them. You know what? We have fire some GoPro shot today. Remember GoPro? I see tripod shot we have fire today. Boom, 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 boom. I never edit them shot today. I'm mad, man. I hold on this trap today. Run chung.
Full of gun, heavy clip full of crocodile teeth.
Alright.
Everything get fuck when I read.
Hear that?
16 bun up boy skin.
I say full of gun everything. I'm shot full of crocodile teeth, dog. This 16 bun up boy skin. See what them shot there? I fire emoji in the comment section. I fire emoji in the comment section right now. Fire emoji. Boom. Boom. Yo. Boom. Drop the fire emoji in the comment section. Right. Boom. Yo. Now run for the comment section, dog. Be a fire emoji once in the comment section, dog. Run chung.
Head tap, bust up and split. Say your bad pussy all run up past it. My brain side corner rotted. Yeah, man.
Dog. The man say if you say no bad, no. Run up on my muckly, run up on Skillibeng. Let me say so. Boom! Well, I think that we have done lighter too now, dog. We have BS6 lighter, I feel like, We have the lighter outside too now, dog. Get me, I said, dog. The ramp put the... Boom! Hey! Run through!
East side, be a chopstick.
Alright!
You wanna know badness.
Alright!
Top striker, don't ask me.
Be a chopsticks. You don't know badness. But if the line catch me no more, say, dog. Please. You say your bad pussy will run up and see. Run up and bumbuckle bell see. You know more I see? Be a famous in the comment section and like button reach 1,000 already. You can't watch the video right now and like the video in the dog. You can't watch the video and like the video in the dog. So like the video, dog. Running night tune then, man.
On the road I see. Full of AK. Be a madness.
Alright.
Clear way when the J car sings. Yeah, man.
You hear that? Man say I'm full of AK. Be a madness. Yo. When the Drake was sing, yo, you know Miss Kitty? I say Drake was singing. I mean, I'm busting Miss Kitty voice. Burn off that. Burn off that. Run tune.
Ram up the clear now hit shit. I'm not dumb, but I be a talking.
I said sing. You full of be a talking, dog. You no bad. You no bad. Yeah, I'm realizing most of them artists, yeah. Most of the artists, they're friends Skillibeng, because I know say if them go in a lyrical clash with Skillibeng, they could never angle it. Them can't do it. But want a man feel say big and him better than bold and brave. Try this Skillibeng, bang, 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 bang. Try this. No, realize me say try this him. Try this him. Try this him. Ladies, what go on? Run tune!
First thing on a bowl like me full of gun, heavy clip full of crocodile teeth. 16 bun up.
Boy skin. The next thing was Skillibeng video them two in the dog. You realize that the man just... Yo, remember no? Skillibeng is a lyrical artist in the dog. And I like some of them artists where if you have be a big batty girl in the video, them man feel twerk for the video and later for people watch it. The two man lyrics are be lyrics in the video. The man just want a mad environment. You see me as I represent the story I'm telling in the song dog and just relax and just go and spit some lyrics and I walk up and down and I move around 2 times dog. You dig me? Yeah. Man just relax and Skillibeng love walk, still I'm not gonna lie to the dog. I wish Skillibeng walk up and on a torpedo video. I'm a love chat, man. No. Run tune.
Boy skin, head tap, bust up and split. Say your bad pussy all run up and sit. We brain side corner rotted. Yeah man, on east side.
Head tap, bust up and split. You say your bad pussy will run up and see. My brain side corner rotted. Yeah man, on east side. Big up everybody to blood clan. Me done chat. Go on. Big up east side too. And me just react to Skillibeng. Bumbleclaw, every day I'm writing one Skillibeng song for the past week. But I just react to Skillibeng. I lie them I tell pam pussy. Man, if you stop telling pam pum pum, go check it up on channel. Go on.
Nigga there we prepared goose with the case, spliffy with the zig in here.
What? Nigga there with PKS. What? Nigga there with...
Tight. Nigga there we prepared goose with the case, spliffy with the zig in here.
Nigga dear, me nah blood clot catch. Me nah go catch. No matter how much time I listen to this, me nah go catch it at all. So you go and make the reaction. Me I catch it, you know. I catch it after the video done. Watch and see. But go on, Skillibeng, while listen to your dog.
Here shot ricochet people face like BPM shot a beat in a people face. You say?
Oh, class shot ricochet people face like me go there, like BPM. Frosty 6 reacted to your story. You want to know which story Frosty 6 just react to? The one I mean that the character Skillibeng songs. I go and grab. You up on the screen right now. Me done chat. Run tune. Shout out to Frosty 6. You see me as a big up all that training that side. You done know chopping. Go on.
Oh no must feel I'm afraid. Shot angle your face if you ramp with my brain. You know see the
you must feel I'm afraid, youth. Shut up, angle your face like Skillibeng. Boom! Hey, be a fire emotion. Boom! Hey, yo, drop the fire emotion, man. Stop ramp with the trap. Yo, I ramp with the trap, so dog. Yo, run the tune here, man.
4 5 clean, 5 clean. Chat to open your door like key. Don't try this if you don't like bleed.
That man go fly past me here, sir. Shut open your door like. Shut open your door like key. Bumbo clock. If the line nobody don't want to the comment section, fire emoji. Boom! Boom! Hey, the ramp with the chap in you who want the fire emoji in the comment section, dog. Blood cloth. Run it!
Shot in your clothes like seam. Roll with the K with the nose pointed. This way you don't find him.
In your clothes like seam. This way you don't find. Bumbo clock! But hey, you see if you have one comment on the video, you're sick. Like you have corona. You see me? So if you go drop a next comment right now, to make sure say you lose corona, dog. You see me? I say, if you have one comment on my video, dog, if you have one comment on my video, you have corona. You have it. You have 10,000 add comment in the comment section. Be a fire emoji in the comment section, dog. Be a fire. Be a badness. Family, big up yourself. Run tune.
This is his side, then you know crisis. You know, don't cool like we. We'll be a brawling.
Oh, God, people. Me, I make sure so to see that video. But Skillibeng, dog. Crocodile teeth. Skillibeng is the most artist in the world right now, no dog. I don't even know, no dog. Yo, go on here, man.
This with today and I live. Oh, you for try flip your brain and kick. Don't make your rifle to be a coffin. He side.
Hold on, what him say? What him say if you try flip up? Why not keep me I go back? Me want hear.
About this with today and I live. Oh, if you try flip your brain and kick.
Oh, if you try flip your brain and bumbuckle bell kick. Oh, if you try flip your brain and kick. This is today and I see me now, but oh, if you try flip your we hear the next one. Make we hear the next one.
I'll make your rifle to be a coffin. East side deal with the key nasty.
You might say make the rifle to be a coffin. East side deal with the bumbuckle bell key nasty. Bumbuckle Skillibeng. You're too bad. People, be a fire emoji will say. Be a fire emoji will say, people. Go on.
Me no range and miss. Gunshot your face in a be a dog shit. What you mean me no play a daddy? You say?
Gunshot your face in a be a dog shit. Bumbuckle. Yo, people, if Skillibeng are going bad, want to comment some more for emoji in the comment section right now. Right now. Skillibeng, fuck up your world.
Talk your woman. First thing on a bowl like me, full of gun, heavy clip full of crocodile teeth.
Sang done that.
On the east side.
Not even react to the video. Not even react to the video to blood. Crocodile on the screen. Crocodile, yeah. But best not even react to the video, dog. If you not even realize. Me react to the video. I did hard, me there some mad suck dog. Shani, I go drag. Song you was singing in the car. Oh, don't talk about my vlog on my post last time. Go check out my vlog on my little brother. Then I say, song name, Dance Dogs. Outside, what the Dance Dogs? Alright. Think a crocodile teeth them with that show instead of that. Do what you want, do. Hey, girl. Yo.
My team reminisce on the phone.
Alright, I'm not saying that. Anyway, people, like up the video. Thanks for checking out the reaction boss video. They may say, as usual, I really appreciate the support on the gaming and we're on the road to 50k right now. Next year, 100k we are go for next year, no? 100k we are go for next year, no? So just go and subscribe and reach them goals, yeah. Because we are mash up YouTube. Oh my God.